after this first servicing, so this wrench icon is keep on blinking. So I was a bit scared what exactly this issue. So 500 kilometer servicing done. Now it is 860. It's keep blinking. Then to reset it, I started looking into what is the solution, how we can reset this. Then so there is a button on top to the reset icon. So this button we need to press it for a minute, then ignition off and ignition on, means key off, key on. Then this speedometer will come to 00. Then once you stop and start, this will come back to actual one. Means basically this is getting reset. So this icon will not display now. So now everything looks fine, but I'm little worried that why this icon was blinking. I will try to go to the service station and inquire it. I'll keep you updated. Thank you.